All right, here we go. Leaving Florida. Got a dog with me. Let's do this. Off to California. 553
Welcome
miles.
to Alabama.
Well, welcome to Alabama. Thank you, Google Maps.
Welcome to Mississippi. Welcome to Louisiana.
Look at that sunrise. That is just pretty.
Welcome to Texas.
Texas. Ah, still in Texas. Jesus, Texas takes forever to get through.
Welcome to New Mexico.
All right. Look at that. Man, look how pretty that is. Look at that. Look at those mountains. What is that, the Sierra Nevadas or whatever? Look at that. Would you look at it? Just look at it. Look at that. It's actually starting to get kind of annoying. Right in my face. This will be like the second time in like 2.5 days I can actually wear my sunglasses while I drive. It's been like crappy and overcast the entire time I was in Texas. Texas is literally a roller coaster of emotions. You get into Texas, you're like, finally I'm in Texas, yes. Then you get to like a Buc-ee's, and you're like, whoa. And then you get to like a Whataburger, and you're like, all right. And then you get to West Texas, you're like, all right, I'm getting out of Texas, this is cool. And then you're still in West Texas, you're like, all right. And then you're still in West Texas, you're like, seriously, is it gonna end? And then you're still in West Texas, you're like, let me out! Look at that, that's like a storm over there. Well, the sunglasses didn't last long because I just drove through whatever that is. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a thin band of fog or something. I thought it was rain or a dust storm, but I mean, here it comes again. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like here. But we're about to drive through it. You can definitely see it in the mirror. Back is killing me. Who knew driving across country was stressful on your body? I'm just kidding, I knew that. That's why I brought a whole bunch of Tylenol with me. I have 3 bottles of Tylenol on here. There it is, you can see them going into it. Smuddy's over here sleeping. Look at it, look at it, there you go. Right there. And we're about to drive into it. I think it's just fog. Really low-lying fog. I can't wait to change clothes. Can't wait to shower, but that's not gonna happen until after I get home with the cat and the dog and everything. But I need to put some other clothes on. This is pretty sure I smell. You can barely see anything now. The sun looks huge. Definitely fog. Look at that. Man, Man, the area I just drove through has so many nice freaking rock faces. Just rocks everywhere. Wonder if they climb over there. So many rocks. Like lots and lots of rocks. A lot of good features. Just look at the vastness. This is what you don't get when you fly across the country. Seeing an expanse like that on a sunrise. Look at that. You just don't get that from a plane. Miss all this natural beauty, I guess. I don't know, it's just amazing. It's awe-inspiring. I ain't no hippie for one, but god dang, that is, like, how can you see this view and not think that that's amazing? That's really cool to see. I don't know. I'll take the pain and the discomfort of driving across country if I get to see nice views. Like, geez, look at these mountains. It's rad. Look at that. Another one over there. I see a ton of animals. I seen almost as many dead deer as I did see live deer. And that was a lot. Bunny rabbits, all kinds of stuff. At least I didn't drive through a whole bunch of monarch butterflies this time in Texas. That was traumatizing. Ooh. All right. All right, here we are, inspection station for California. California state line right there.
Welcome to California.
Sweet. Went to the border control station in Texas, I think it was. We're leaving Texas. And as I pull up, the guy just kind of pokes out. He's like, "Are you a citizen?" And I was like, "Yes." He's like, "Go ahead." What a dork. All right, this is it. 2,404 miles from Florida so far to border California. Welcome to California. Lame.
So buy another round. They tried to shut us down about an hour ago, but we still in this bitch.
With a big Glock 9 handy, pieced up, creased up, stand dressed to impress. Big boss Bill Buckle under my Mitchell and S. Oh, still represents what's your house, huh?
Man, California sure is beautiful this time of year. Look at the scenery. Wow. Just kidding. Look at all these damn fans. I feel like there's more than the last time I was here. Look at them all. Man. Really adds to the natural beauty in the landscape. Yeah. Yeah. California. Ah! Yo, screw this airport. Screw this airport. But I got Smokey finally. You probably can't see him because it's dark. Smuddy's ready to go. 2 hours home. All right, let's get out of here. All right. God, I hate Los Angeles. I have been to third world countries where the driving is this bad. The only difference between this and driving in, let's say, freaking Iraq is that you can understand what the drivers are saying here. It said there was an accident which is causing a 35-minute delay. It's gonna take me 2 hours to go 60 miles or something like that, 90 miles. Jeez Louise. Yo, at this point, I have spent more time in traffic in California than I did crossing Arizona. I'm gonna say this for all the Californians out there. How hard is it to not hit another car? Y'all suck. I can't believe I have spent 6.5 hours in traffic just in California. I crossed an entire state before that. I want somebody to give me a reason that LA is awesome, and then I want them to not be full of crap. Y'all suck. California you guys suck. All right, my first night in the house. I didn't film last night because I got back at like 9. So, over 3,000 miles. Getting home at 9 o'clock at night on a Friday. But Smokey's here. Smutty's here. Nemo's here. Here's the living room area. Kitchen. This is the bathroom that connects. Animals room. There's Mila. Hey, sweetie. We got a backyard. Another bathroom, so she's happy about that. 2 bathrooms. What you guys do? Meow. Washer and dryer. And we have a front yard. If you can see it. We got a front yard and a driveway that could fit 2 cars. Yeah, buddy. What else we got? Kitchen, dishwasher, nice stove and a microwave and a big old fridge. Hi, Mila. Say hi to everybody. Yeah. You're so sweet. How's America? Huh? Nemo, say hi to everybody. Oh yeah. Smokey, your first night in America, how was it? Yeah. You were mischievous. You already figured out how to open doors and everything. Smutty's getting old. He can't see or hear nothing, so. How was your night? Spent half of it licking your balls. That was annoying. Don't get old, folks. All right. Oh man, well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that button. Check out last week. Check out some more over here. And thanks for coming back. I'll see y'all next week. Later.